This is an Eclipse body. I think that's what you're dealing with, because you cannot see that packing nut. Engage the screwdriver. Once it drops in, you can feel it. Thread this out. That's a lefty. That's a lefty for Lucy. Ah. There she is. Whoop. Son of a. Then when I reinstall, I'll grab a donor needle. I'll eyeball this thing so I can get it back in. I'll lead the needle through and just drop the needle back out the other end, leaving the packing in. Then just lightly seat. Once it's seated, I can lead the needle back through and I can feel how much tension is on that packing. I'm gonna snug this up just a touch, or else this thing's gonna leak all over. I should probably have this needle wet. Just slight drag. Once the needle's wet, it's probably gonna feel easier, but you get the picture.